looking for your next all-inclusive getaway in Turkey? Let me tell you about Tui Magic Life Masmavi, a resort that promises sun, sea, and endless entertainment on the beautiful Turkish Mediterranean coast. This place has been catching attention from travelers looking for that perfect balance between relaxation and activity-packed holidays. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a romantic escape, or just need to get away from the daily grind, this resort might just be what you're searching for. Situated in one of Turkey's most stunning coastal areas, Tui Magic Life Masmavi offers the kind of holiday where you can truly switch off and let someone else handle all the details. The all-inclusive concept here means you can leave your wallet in the safe and just focus on enjoying yourself. From the moment you arrive until the sad day you have to leave, everything is taken care of. But is it really worth your hard-earned vacation days and money? Let's dive deep into what this resort actually offers, beyond the glossy brochure photos. When it comes to accommodations, Tui Magic Life Masmavi offers a variety of room types designed to suit different needs and budgets. The standard rooms provide a comfortable base for your holiday, featuring modern furnishings and all the essential amenities you would expect from a quality resort. These rooms typically come with air conditioning, which is absolutely crucial during those hot Turkish summers, along with a private bathroom, a flat-screen television for those rare moments when you're actually in your room, and a balcony or terrace where you can enjoy your morning coffee or evening drink. The views from these rooms vary, with some overlooking the lush gardens that surround the property and others offering glimpses of the sparkling Mediterranean Sea in the distance. For those wanting a bit more space and luxury, the family rooms are a fantastic option. These larger accommodations are thoughtfully designed with families in mind, offering separate sleeping areas that give parents a bit of privacy while keeping the kids close by. This setup is perfect for those traveling with children who need their own space but aren't quite ready for a separate room. The family rooms often include additional amenities like a mini fridge, extra storage space for all that beach gear and souvenirs, and sometimes even a second bathroom, which anyone who has traveled with teenagers will tell you is worth its weight in gold. The suites at Tui Magic Life Masmavi take things up another notch entirely. These premium accommodations offer significantly more living space, often featuring a separate lounge area where you can relax without disturbing sleeping children or your partner. The suites typically come with enhanced amenities, potentially including upgraded bathroom products, bathrobes and slippers for that spa-like feeling, and priority access to certain resort facilities. Some suites may also offer stunning sea views that make waking up each morning feel like a dream. The decor throughout the rooms maintains a contemporary style with touches that reflect the local Turkish aesthetic, creating a space that feels both modern and authentically connected to the destination. All rooms are equipped with safe deposit boxes for your valuables, which gives you peace of mind when you're out enjoying the resort facilities. The housekeeping service keeps everything spotlessly clean, with daily room servicing ensuring you always return to a fresh, tidy space. One thing guests particularly appreciate is the attention to detail in the room design, with adequate lighting for reading, comfortable beds with quality linens, and effective blackout curtains that help you sleep in after those late nights at the resort entertainment. The air conditioning systems are generally powerful enough to keep rooms cool even during the height of summer, though some guests recommend requesting a room away from the main entertainment areas if you're a light sleeper who prefers early nights. The dining experience at Tui Magic Life Masmavi is one of the highlights that keeps guests coming back year after year. The main restaurant serves as the heart of the culinary operation, offering buffet-style dining for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with an impressive variety that caters to virtually every taste and dietary requirement. The breakfast spread is particularly noteworthy, featuring everything from traditional Turkish breakfast items like fresh simit, olives, cheeses, and tomatoes to international favorites such as pancakes, cereals, fresh fruits, and made-to-order eggs. The coffee is decent, though serious coffee enthusiasts might want to seek out the specialty coffee bar for a more refined caffeine fix. For lunch, the main restaurant transforms with different themed stations offering salads, hot dishes, pasta, grilled meats, and fish options. The dinner service is where the culinary team really shows off, with themed nights that might include Turkish night featuring local specialties, Italian night with fresh pasta and pizza, Asian night with stir-fries and sushi, and international nights showcasing flavors from around the world. The quality of the food is generally very good, especially considering the volume they are producing for hundreds of guests. Fresh ingredients are clearly a priority, with salads that are crisp and vibrant, fruits that are ripe and sweet, and proteins that are well prepared and flavorful. Beyond the main restaurant, the resort typically offers several specialty dining venues that provide a more intimate and focused culinary experience. These might include an Italian restaurant where you can enjoy authentic pasta dishes and wood-fired pizzas in a more relaxed setting, a Turkish restaurant that dives deeper into local cuisine with expertly prepared mezes, kebabs, and traditional desserts, and possibly an Asian restaurant featuring dishes from various Eastern cuisines. Some of these specialty restaurants may require advanced reservations, which is a small price to pay for the elevated dining experience they provide. The bars scattered throughout the resort ensure you're never far from refreshment. The pool bar is probably where you'll spend most of your time, serving up cold beers, refreshing cocktails, soft drinks, and snacks throughout the day. The cocktails are generally well made, with bartenders who are happy to customize drinks to your preferences. The lobby bar provides a more sophisticated atmosphere for evening drinks, often featuring live music or entertainment. There's usually a beach bar as well, perfect for those moments when you don't want to leave your sun lounger but definitely need another cold drink. The snack bar or patisserie offers light bites, ice cream, and pastries throughout the day, which is perfect for those mid-afternoon hunger pangs or when the kids need a little treat. One thing that impresses many guests is the variety of drinks available under the all-inclusive package, with local and some international spirits, wines, and beers all included. The service in the restaurants and bars is generally friendly and efficient, with staff members who work incredibly hard to keep everyone happy and well-fed throughout the day. The pool and beach facilities at Tui Magic Life Masmavi are designed to be the centerpiece of your holiday experience, offering multiple options for water-based relaxation and fun. The resort typically features several swimming pools catering to different preferences and age groups. The main pool is usually the largest and most active, surrounded by sun loungers and serving as the hub of daytime activity and entertainment. This is where you'll find the animation team organizing pool games, water aerobics, and various competitions throughout the day. The depth varies to accommodate both confident swimmers and those who prefer to stay in the shallower areas. The pool water is well maintained and clean, with regular testing ensuring it's safe and pleasant for swimming. Adjacent to the main pool, there's often a separate children's pool with shallower water and sometimes fun features like water slides or splash areas that keep the little ones entertained for hours. This separation is great because it means kids can play safely while adults can relax in the main pool without constant splashing and noise. Some areas of the resort might also feature a quieter pool designated for those seeking a more peaceful swimming experience, away from the games and activities. This is perfect for guests who want to do some actual swimming or simply float peacefully with a good book nearby. The pool areas are well equipped with sun loungers, though during peak season you might need to head out relatively early to secure your preferred spot, especially if you want to be near the pool or in a shaded area. Umbrellas provide essential shade during the hottest parts of the day, and there are usually pool towels available so you don't need to use your room towels. The beach access is one of the major draws of Tui Magic Life Masmavi, with the resort situated close to the beautiful Mediterranean coastline. The beach itself features a mix of sand and pebbles, which is typical for this region of Turkey. While it might not be the powdery white sand of Caribbean beaches, it has its own charm, and the water is absolutely stunning with that characteristic turquoise blue color that makes the Mediterranean so famous. The sea is generally calm and perfect for swimming, especially during the summer months. Beach loungers and umbrellas are provided for guests, creating a comfortable setup for full days by the sea. The resort may offer a pier or platform extending into the water, which is great for sunbathing and provides easy access to deeper water for swimming. Water sports and activities are often available, potentially including options like paddleboarding, kayaking, windsurfing, and pedal boats. Some activities might be included in the all-inclusive package while others could incur an additional charge, so it's worth checking what's available when you arrive. For those interested in exploring underwater, there might be opportunities for snorkeling or even diving excursions to nearby sites. The beach area typically has its own bar serving drinks and snacks, so you can spend the entire day by the sea without needing to trek back to the main resort area. Lifeguards are usually present during peak hours, providing an extra layer of safety, especially important for families with children. The transition between the pool and beach areas is usually seamless, allowing you to easily move between the two depending on your mood and the weather conditions. Activities at Tui Magic Life Masmavi are plentiful and varied, ensuring that guests of all ages and interests find something to keep them entertained throughout their stay. The animation team is the driving force behind much of the daily entertainment, organizing everything from morning stretch sessions and water aerobics to afternoon sports competitions and evening shows. These enthusiastic staff members work tirelessly to create a fun, engaging atmosphere, though if you prefer a quieter holiday, you can easily opt out and find peaceful corners of the resort. The sports facilities typically include a fitness center equipped with modern cardio and strength training equipment for those who want to maintain their workout routine even on holiday. Tennis courts are often available for guests who enjoy a game, with equipment usually provided and sometimes even coaching sessions or tournaments organized. Beach volleyball is a popular activity, with courts set up on the sand where friendly games happen throughout the day. For those interested in team sports, there might be opportunities to play football, basketball, or participate in various tournaments. Table tennis and darts are usually available as well, providing casual entertainment that's easy to pick up for a quick game. Water-based activities beyond swimming include aqua aerobics sessions in the pool, which are a fun way to exercise while staying cool. The resort might also organize boat trips or excursions to nearby attractions, giving you a chance to explore the surrounding area. Evening entertainment is a big part of the Tui Magic Life experience, with shows that might include live music performances, dance shows, theatrical productions, and themed parties. The quality of these shows is generally quite good, with talented performers who put real effort into creating memorable evenings. After the main show, there's usually a disco or nightclub area where the party continues for those with energy to spare. For guests seeking something more cultural, there might be Turkish nights featuring traditional music and dance, giving you a taste of local culture without leaving the resort. The animation team also organizes games and competitions throughout the day, from pool games to trivia contests, offering prizes and creating a fun, competitive atmosphere. Some guests love this constant activity and entertainment, while others prefer to simply relax, and the beauty of the resort is that you can participate as much or as little as you like. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.